Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Ever wonder why some people seem to resist the aging process, while others appear older than their years? It all comes down to how we treat our skin. While some factors like genetics are beyond our control, there are plenty of ways to influence the aging process and maintain a youthful appearance. Let's dive into some easy home remedies to keep your skin looking young and fresh. 1. Honey and lemon juice. Lemon juice lightens dark spots, while honey moisturizes and soothes the skin. Mix them for a great peel-off mask. 2. Glycerin and rose water. Glycerin hydrates, and rose water is full of antioxidants. Together, they make your skin more elastic and moisturized, giving it a youthful glow. Mix them up to make a thick paste, then put it on your face for about 20 minutes. Rose water makes your skin look brighter, and it smells great. 3. Papaya. This fruit is packed with vitamin A and enzymes that scrub away dead cells, making your skin firmer and more elastic. 4. DIY anti-aging. Serum. Create your own serum at home with these ingredients: 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel, 5 tablespoons of rose water, 2 vitamin C tablets, and 2 tablespoons of vitamin E oil for younger-looking skin. 5. Potato for dark circles. Potato has a cooling effect that reduces dark circles and tans, leaving your skin feeling fresh. 6. Eggs. Eggs are rich in protein, which keeps your skin healthy. Mix with orange juice for collagen production, making your skin firm and radiant. 7. Green tea and lemon toner. Mix 2 tablespoons of lemon juice with a cup of green tea. Apply this blend to your face using a cotton ball. It helps revive dull skin, top spots, keep moisture, and enhance elasticity. 8. Rice water. Use water from washed rice to rejuvenate your skin, improve tone, and slow down aging. Soak the cleaned and rinsed rice for 2 days in water. Allow it to ferment, stir the water, and filter the liquid after 2 days. Transfer the liquid to a glass bottle and store it in the fridge. 9. Coconut milk. Full of vitamins and minerals, coconut milk moisturizes and softens your skin, leaving it radiant. The best outcomes come from using freshly extracted coconut milk. 10. Cucumber and curd. Cucumber reduces puffiness and hydrates, while curd exfoliates dead cells for a refreshed look. 11. Lemon freshness. Brighten your complexion with a simple lemon juice toner. Just apply it with a cotton ball as a toner. Lemon can make your skin look more even and brighter. You can also add lemon to your water in the morning to feel refreshed all over. 12. Tomato therapy. Try a tomato mask to reduce inflammation and brighten your skin. Put tomato slices on your face for 20 minutes to refresh tired skin. 13. Coconut oil magic. Use coconut oil as a natural moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated and glowing. This can be applied daily. Just make sure to get a good quality liquid coconut oil that's cold pressed. It also helps protect your skin from infections because it has antimicrobial properties. 14. Honey healing. Honey is full of good stuff and works wonders for skin. It helps skin renew faster and might make wrinkles less noticeable if you use it often. Just put honey on your face and neck. Leave it for 20 minutes. Then wash off with warm water. For extra shine, mix honey with milk powder and water to make a mask that makes skin soft and fades dark spots. Remember, these remedies work best when combined with a healthy lifestyle, a balanced diet, regular exercise, hydration, good sleep, and stress reduction. If you have specific skin concerns, consult a dermatologist for personalized advice. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos on psychology and health.